In the words of Kevin Hart, so excited, so excited. So, you guys know that there's been back and forth with the builder and the sales consultants about stuff that has been done, stuff that hasn't been done. A lot of things have changed. A lot of things have taken shape. It's just been, things have definitely been better these past few weeks and days than they were before. But you guys got to see in the last video that they did make some changes that they were supposed to make. And one of those changes was they changed the countertops like they were supposed to. So we went from the granite to the quartz that we were supposed to have, the white quartz. So that was one thing. I think the lights and stuff had been put in before. I think they've been put in for a while. So that was, you know, something. But they have made a lot of progress, and I am so excited to show you guys the progress. But most importantly, I want you guys to just see this excitement, because I'm really, you know, just trying to show people, again, guys, after a divorce, after having to start over, because I'm basically having to start over, I just want you guys to see what it looks like, and that you can be happy, and that you can start over. You can do it. You don't need anybody else to go and hold your hand and coddle you and tell you that you can do it. You know, you don't need that in place. All you have to do is set your mind to something, set goals for yourself, and go ahead and handle your business. I mean, just handle your business. Doc said that. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to come on and show my face really quick and just tell you, I am very excited. I am stoked with the progress right now. We are on the home stretch, y'all. We in the fourth quarter. Time is winding down, and shoot, we almost at the 2-minute mark, you know, so it's pretty exciting. It's pretty exciting. So I just wanted to throw a word of encouragement up in there before I go into this video and let you guys see what happened over the last couple of weeks. It's been about a week and a half. It hasn't been a long time. So, but just to let you guys see what has happened during that time, and just to encourage you to keep moving forward. And anything that you want to do, just work towards it. Don't let anybody, I did some videos on gaslighting and manipulation and narcissistic stuff, you know, things of that nature, because I still have to be a coach and a counselor at the end of the day. But I want you guys to remember that no matter what happens in your life, you can move forward. You can move forward. Now let this video be an example for you. Take a look. Whose bottle is that? Wait for it. Wait for it. Are those stairs? Wait. I see a door frame, y'all. Wait a minute. Is that a door? Yes, it is. Okay, so that first part, that was like another week. So the second part is another week. It's another week. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna do some voiceover, but I also want you guys to hear my surprise whenever I see something in there, because like some of the stuff has just been totally unexpected. Like they'll tell me we don't think we're gonna get such and such done for this amount of time, and then I go there and some other stuff is done. I'm like, what? Okay. Go off then. So I'm talking too much. Look at this. Blinds, blinds, and more blinds. Oh. Okay, y'all are going to think I'm completely crazy. But what you think I'm doing here is what I'm doing. I had to sit on the toilet because it looked so low to the floor. I had to do a toilet check. Like, that's all I'm saying. So don't think I'm crazy. This is my friend Jesus getting that attic staircase right for me. I was in the way. I'm going. Bye. Let's just say I left being very pleased with the findings of the day. Another surprise was that the hot water heater had been installed. One thing I did not notice when I pulled up. And that funky looking pipe that was sticking about the driveway has now been cut and sealed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, this is another part of the journey. I hope you guys are enjoying this house journey. I'm enjoying putting it together. So, and this is something different for me, getting away from, you know, the dealing with problems and all that stuff, and like really just showing people that life is possible. We can do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the house journey. If you have missed the other parts, there are several videos. I'm not even sure which video this is. This might be video 8, 9. Don't start me the line. But I hope you guys are enjoying this journey with me. And I hope it encourages you to also share your journey with other people. It was some people on YouTube and videos that I saw that encouraged me to share my journey. But I just wanted to make sure that I did it with a, you know, with a motivational component to it as well. Just, you know, reminding people that, again, life is possible. There is life after. No matter what it is, there is life after. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please hit that like button. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know about your own journeys that you may be on. And do this. Go back and watch the other videos. Go back and get the life, you know, hacks and, you know, little tips and all that stuff. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.